everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video, we are going to discuss about heat maps. So, heat maps and 2D histograms are powerful visualization tools used to represent the intensity of data value across two dimensions. So, we'll see heat maps with an example. So, for that, we need to import the required libraries first. So firstly we'll import numpy as np. So numpy is used to generate random data. And secondly we'll import so matplotlib.pyplot is imported as which is used to create the histogram and plot it. So now we'll generate some random data. So this generates 1000 random values from a standard normal distribution where mean is equals to 0 and standard deviation is equals to 1. And x and y represent two sets of normally distributed random data which will be plotted on a 2D plane. So now we'll create a 2D histogram. So for that we'll write so here this creates a 2D histogram which shows the density frequency of points in 2D space and x and y the random data points. Here bin is equals to 30 which divides the x-axis and y-axis into 30 bins each which creates a 30 into 30 grid. And here cmap is equals to this uses the weirdest color map to visualize density level. So by writing this, we can arise a question that what is a 2D histogram? So a 2D histogram is a heat map like plot where each cell means bin counts the number of data points that fall into it. Brighter color represent higher densities. So now we'll add a color bar in it. So the color bar shows the intensity of color and maps them to the corresponding frequency, number of points in each bin. And here label is equals to frequency, this label for the color bar. So now we'll add label and title for the plot. So for that we'll write so here labels for x-axis and y-axis help understand what the plot represent. And now we can give the title so this line gives the title and describes the visualization. So at last now we'll display the plot. So to display the plot we'll write now we can check this. Hence, this is a 2D histogram. So, a basic 2D histogram. So, now we can customize this 2D histogram. So, for that, we'll copy the same code and we'll have some necessary changes in this code only. So, for customizing this, firstly, we'll change its title. So, this changed the plot title to customize 2D histogram, and now we'll have some changes here. So, for changing, we can change the bin size. So, I'm taking the bin size as 10. So, this will increase or decrease bins for more or less granularity. So, now we can change this to color map to plasma for more bins and finer details. So now we can check this. So we can see a customized 2D chart. In this chart we have decreased the bins and we have changed the color map also. So thanks for watching this video.